Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, man.
What's up, good people? What's poppin'? To come here, man. We've come back in power like we never left you on Friday. This is the show we're going to finish out all updates that are in regards to the gospel industry. You understand? We have all the gist for you, so just keep around. We have a topical discussion. We have new music releases here and there, and of course, tujaba togerako about the rundown. So just come up. Itabachalibo bonabona abaditebana kutuninga on bagambe 5 to 7 has started. My name is Phoebe Mulonde, P-H-I-E-B-E, that's Phoebe. Get that on all my social media handles at Phoebe Mulonde. Labikengo kubanga kokorachi ontinga ko message. Njabela, I respond to my DMs. Sina bankwasaganyiza. Sinafuna assistant Tebalina wabana abananga bakolamu. Ojisindika assistant yaswa kale we shall get back to you bichi yange je kwasaganyiza nze kenini.
Interesting.
Oh yes, in today's show, Maxel, what has been popping on your table?
It's okay that abasajja adetebana bakano kawiko nakona nga mugambe nkuwe badde tonya. I hope today you're hitting those washrooms.
Yeah.
Because the rain has not come today.
Sabula.
Yeah, the rain has not come today, so abachala amadensa abami abulelo bachikole because I know kale waliele nkuba wetonya
but just a bit like in the morning
like just but not rain.
Yes.
And you kade be kwa asante simanya
nkuba nyinje mpewo ate basingo
ate because bitya ate simanya akina singo akina
yes.
akasana je kalibambi tubayamba because I'm saying this because I had an experience with a boda rider and it wasn't really nice.
Come on.
Simanya oba justice embera whether nenga bambi omusana je guli ke kadde tu
nende mnamu kuna abayongere mu dio deodorant is a must kintu kyamani kikulu akakaswa
wabe yanti
ate wabe
ate abatembeyi waloba nabali babutembeya 100 200
yes tebachalo
so we understand ate abeduka babe
so the least people can do is to shower
at least ne wato fukutosa sabuni wako nabo oli mwenyini the likes of I don't want to mention their names
yes.
Ocha olofuna kati ngono jime wash
exactly
no isa koti jime wash no terera obula
Mwana, speaking of sharing and all these things, there is a lot of relationship drama, going around in social media. A lot of things. So today, earlier in the day, I came across a video of a guy who was trying to propose on top of a mountain hill. Antikatomanyi faba hiking. You reach, a certain point when you are hiking. No sangaga mainjanga gali so slippery. So this guy was, on one of those points. Exactly. So this guy was trying to propose that
but I think propose yabadde mu Uganda.
Yabadde mu America.
Uganda yo propose nga tebiriwo.
Chikakasa.
By the way, no, like webiri, but I feel like tuchikola because of byetulaba oba bitula balalanga bako like we want to do what other people are doing.
Okay. It's a copy and paste.
Nenga fengafe because personally I find no sense in me having to kneel down for someone in order for them to marry me.
What?
Well, what am I convincing you already? Yet I thought
no.
By the time we tutukira ogende wabazali already twakiriza
yes.
Ngenda kufumbiro kati lwacha ate mba ate nogenda simanya ate mulujjude ate invite simanya that and that is
wasting a lot of money. It's just a sweet moment. It's a sweet moment. It's livable. And we live in the moment.
Abantu we batu bayawukana. Really? Like these people bana batuli ku internet abatu tuleka.
Yes. The furniture guys.
The bedding.
Yeah.
It's all over the internet. Why? These people put it up everywhere. What did they do? The guy proposed, he did that and
intro,
that. Did this and that. I feel like those things are unnecessary. In fact, a relationship shouldn't be put out.
What?
You keep your thing inside.
No, Maxel.
Ekiberamu munda. Tekyetagisa kufuluma wabanga propose you be eating ask the nigga gwe mbekintu okirimu oba tokirimu.
But how will you find out? Currently, if someone does not post
witnesses,
you, if the person whom you are in a relationship with does not post you,
ensonga lwaki abantu bayitibwa ku mbaga is because embaga beetakako ba witness.
Ocho?
Naye ate omuntu proposing, I don't think if you need witnesses, where are they going to sign later?
No, you just need friends around, you know, like how you can talk to my friends, let's say, you talk to, you know, a few friends of mine and then organize a casting. But it's a moment, you have to live it. You have to live it.
I'm so sorry, ladies, but it's a total wasted.
So we don't expect a proposal from Maxel.
Anytime, any day, as long as you come in this thing,
oh my God,
just know it is ending between me and you.
What?
No one should be involved.
What? But hold up, what comes first, the proposal or the introduction?
Now usually what they have been doing nga basokane bachala like musokane mutesakanya then muchala
okay
kwa mkuchala is when the family agrees
oba
ebintu nabireta
oba
bakebedde nga balabanga tekijja then after the kuchala, after the parents have agreed, then you propose to the girl. After proposing to the girl, then the introduction comes.
Not the pre-wedding shoot.
Now, now that is done on the day of the proposal. Ebifana nyo bateka ku gundi, kubateka ku kwezo invitation cards, bateka ku kati babikola ku day of the proposal. Then they do the introduction. Then mchara and that, then you go for the wedding.
Those are like 4 ceremonies.
You get my whole point. I think amuchina no gena honeymoon. That is how we end up being kumukolo.
That's a honeymoon budget.
Now we are all the service providers.
Oh yes,
I don't know if you've been there waiting for that money.
I've been there waiting for my money. I'm telling you. You've hosted at a wedding. Someone is telling you to go balance. Simanya ataba koba inoktuwa yo sente wezi.
Then they start to then you start to rebargain on the wedding day.
Exactly.
I hear.
Exactly.
Nida katolaba ngenda soka.
Kachoke nkweko zino.
Ngenda soka nkweko zinino. But bro, you could save the money. For example, the proposal budget wasn't
exactly.
Wali wetaga kuba vivi omuntu okumusaba obufu.
Never, you can do a simple proposal as well.
Wali simple proposal yamu. Omuntu okumusaba obufu tewetaga kufuta wetaga. It's like chiringanga bino byokubera extravagant mu budget ze mikolo.
The miscellaneous.
Bino byebakola mbusimanya njagala ku beach, njagala
weya. Yes.
Kwata omukolo n'oguteeka wano ku wano wagulu ku Kingdom fast food.
Yes, ku fast food.
Eggwa.
Choka mbejawa wembaga.
Chigwa ne mudde waka. The main thing kasitambera nga mwine baluwa ya tata.
Yes.
Then ne mubera then ne mudane waka. It's like these parents who, I'm so sorry but.
Yes.
Abana bazadde basaba abaana ate ssente ez'okutegeka ewaka. Like bro.
Oh yes, okudabiriza ennyumba biki mugenda kyala abagenyi bana batulawa.
You see?
Guys, let us know what you think about today's discussion on our social media handles. Gendayo otubulire go. Would you sit down for a proposal? If you are a man, would you take that step of proposing? If you are a lady, are you down with a guy who cannot propose to you because of a budget here and there? Our Twitter page is up and about Kingdom Media, and of course our Facebook also Kingdom Media TV.
Are we trees? Happened to me?
Let's short a break. Let's come back. That musical break.
More easy, church boy. A bigger can yourself.
Ali Wampozi.
Ali US.
Achukwa
Saganya. Nendo go ground query. The guys that are promoting him are doing a very good job.
Is it one that was cheated at first, where he got into some scandal with the promoter from this distributor actually?
It's a scandal. He got
into an issue with the distributor.
But he's doing a good job. All is because kati video ongeyo Grace D ajikwata.
Yes.
Yaswala. Simanyi ngejja kikola oba akwata footage namuweereza eno oba Grace D abuuka namutwala eri. But all the video looks really nice.
Bina softwares. They tell me they have software they use.
Do they?
Yeah. They have softwares they use. Mabelanga bulabula bakola bacha. Negala maloboozi ngo agarecordinga nagasindika. Olina agamajinga mixing a master. Yes, I'm certain, but I've forgotten the name of the software.
Amazing.
But I know it's there. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Shan Country's Road Hotel esangi bachigo chitiko abantu balina empereza zaabwe nungi jo balina ya hotel mu hotel mumbira mu gym sauna and steam bath balina gardens zaabwe enjoy tengate ngazi bulungi nyo nyida also take omukologo if you have like an introduction ceremony, wedding ceremony, engagement, proposal, name any form and any kind of party jiba kwa Shan Country's Road Hotel bajja bate bakola bacha bakwata bulungi nyo nyida basangi bachigo chitiko kilometer MH ekitundu nga ovudde ku Entebbe Road bwagala okumanya ebisingawo ogenda bakubira ku 0752943752 0784401496 be bannaffe abo aba Shine Country Resort Hotel. Njagala okujjukiza abantu be Makindye nti tuli nammwe twatandise olunaku olw'ejjo oshitegedde twatandise olunaku olw'ejjo abantu baba bali awo ku Rwasa stage mwena nga ku Union Grounds tuli nammwe continue mobilizing your friends to come about because there's a lot of impartation in that area amafuta gayingidde dda
ale nakiwulira nti nowandiyagadde naawe okujja don't hesitate bambi jangu nkakasenguudo bazitereza that road used to be a very 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 bad road a very dusty road naye the road right now is okay Grace Wuyangambe ne taxi bazitereza
tell you get there ku chat taxi Minister of Works and Transport about maybe like a day or 2 days ago babanize all vehicles under poor mechanical conditions public vehicles it's about passenger vehicles bus banize so I think that's a plus. That's a plus for them because I mean these are the taxis ezimu zosanga nesikatira mukubo ne baba yuwa
ne bakuteka mundala that carry taxi test abantu 10
overload yes
because you squeeze yourself in this taxi and the conductor feels like there is nothing like you guys are still joking
na imina na mukobo ati nanyiga
bayino bateka muri bantu nga batano kujja kwa Irene experience
hello Irene go isemu
and you my mukano gwa nataka kunyigira na ye but regardless my whole point is overloading is not cool it's not cool like at all simanyi but me I feel like it's not cool ndikira taxis nezimu nkadde kati ate mipira nazo jinyi mikadde
taxi tasale kwambuka kasozi
oyongere ko load y'abantu abiri mu gwe bagambe abantu 14
abera mu
20 people inside the taxi like
that's so bad
so it doesn't make sense. I'm so happy that has been passed.
Me too I'm overjoyed
dezo bazije wadiseka dezo ziveyo oberenga ojitwa mtekola
and also these vehicles I think buli week oba kugenda kono ewa makanika hajikebere
have you driven before?
Yes every week you have to service
you own a car?
No but I've driven before.
I was gonna tell you girl you don't know what you're talking about.
No I'm telling you by the way it is serious on service
but it's a lot of money my friend
I know.
to commit yourself to gonna do service every week
I know
so
I have friends who decided domanya motoka ngekebere wano nga ekola town service and maybe probably people would hire okugikozesa Mikolo long journeys bichi and all that stuff nenda abantu abatwala emotoka zaffe ne muzitwala simanyi ogenze ggulo ogenzewo ogenzwa neko
you said you don't own one right